What's going on here, Batman? Why do you have all of these shoved into your waistband? Alright, where to? Let's go this way. What are we doing today?
What does it look like?
I don't know. I think day 3 or 4.
We've lost track.
It's a good thing to lose track.
Yes.
So I think we're on day 3. We have been running. What?
I think we're at least 4.
Okay, day 4. We're on day 4. And we have been running around, probably doing about 5 or 6 miles a day of walking.
Yeah.
And about 8 or 9 hours of standing. So we decided we're gonna come here to a beach that was recommended. It's outside Fort Zachary, Taylor. And they have this beautiful beach filled with like these open wooded spaces. We're gonna throw up a hammock and we're gonna just relax. I think I can be good at this.
I think I can too.
All right, let's go take a peek. What you making? Oh, a sandcastle. Very nice. Finishing up at the beach. Spent about, what, 3 hours out there?
I don't know. I don't even know what time it is.
Things to know about Key West Beach. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Things to know about Key West Beaches. 1,
My bathing suit is too big.
your bathing suit is way too big. 2, my bathing suit is way too big. 3, the beach is made out of rocks, so don't expect to be able to put an umbrella on the ground unless you get some guy who is already going to put an umbrella for you. Pay somebody. 4,
Yeah.
the trees go almost right to the water, so bring a hammock because it will make it so much better. And 5, expect to just be in awe of how beautiful it is down here.
So that wraps up our last day in Key West.
Yeah.
Which is kind of funny that we did the one thing that we can do at home.
Yeah, it's weird. Just different beaches.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go from here to hang out with some friends, RV friends, and then we're gonna go basically start packing up tonight. I like to try to drive out tomorrow morning and head towards
Hopefully, originally Orlando.
Yeah.
No, Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
We're thinking somewhere in between Orlando and Fort Lauderdale. So we'll see how far we get, really,
Yeah.
and play it by ear.
Hoping
This
for
is
a
crazy.
very boring drive home tomorrow.
Yes, aside from what, like the first or second day, we've had some good boring drives.
Yeah.
So it's been nice. We would like a few more. That's about it. Stay tuned.
Bye, guys.
Bye.